In wildlife photography, we generally tend to shoot a tight frame. That is, we fill the frame with the subject. However, there are some instances where you must take a wider shot or the so-called habitat shot, the one which reveals the environment. In this video, you will learn what are those specific instances where you need to shoot wide and where you need to shoot close. And yes, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more such tips and tricks. As a rule of thumb, whenever subject is looking at you or it establishes an eye contact, then you must shoot close. Sometimes, even if animal is not directly looking at you, but the eyes are clearly visible, then also it is prudent to shoot close. But whenever the subject is facing away, then it is advisable to include more of a surrounding and make it an environmental or the so-called habitat shot. Look at these two images and appreciate when I prefer to go close and when I shot wide. Sometimes you need to include surrounding to tell the story. Look at this image of a famous tigress Maya of Tadoba walking with her two cubs. In order to include her huge fan following in the background, I prefer to shoot wide. But a word of caution. Whenever you are taking a wider shot, make sure that you use a wider aperture to minimize depth of field, else the attention from the main subject would be diverted. You do not want two or more competing elements in one photograph. I hope this quick tip will help you to make decision whether to shoot close or to shoot wide. Try it, judge for yourself and keep exploring.